Good morning. Yes, if you're hopping on here with me, you see me making my last second adjustments. So, how are you today? So, this is the third edition of Wednesday with Weezy. It should be the fourth, but last week I took off because I lost my executive producer. My nice white dog who used to lay behind me, and I thank you all so much for the condolences that you have sent um, since that time that I made my announcement. Um, she is still sorely missed, and her presence is definitely missing here in the house. But she went in peace. She had lost a lot of her light. She had lost her voice. She even lost her wag. So we had to make the hard decision, but the fair decision to let her go, to let her go. So just thank you. Thank you. So that's the update on the Miss Southern Belle Diva dog, Miss Izzy, forever missed. She brought a lot of love and joy into our lives. Um, yeah. So, but this is a new week. This is a new episode, and I just thank you for joining me. And this week, we are going to talk about Instagram. Um, and you may say, Weezy, you're about video. Well, to be about video, you need to know about your social platforms or wherever you're going to go for video. And you need to know what's going on in these platforms. And I don't know about you, but I have noticed, I will say, my Instagram has become very boring. I see it's mostly memes of something that somebody else that I don't know. I might follow them because they're funny, but my feed um or my feed is full of ads, suggestions on who I should follow. Which, you know what? That's great, because if they're doing it for that person, they're doing it for you too. So I'm not going to complain about that, but I don't see a whole lot of friends and family, and a lot of people are like going, "What is going on with this feed?" Well, if you have been saying that, you're not alone. Even my husband, who, you know, not guys don't normally go, "What is going on?" Unless they are intentional about things, but they're like going, "What's going on? My feed's just boring. I'm not seeing anybody anymore." So for him to notice, there's definitely something going on. And I just happened earlier this week to have a conversation with somebody who happens to be an expert in the social media world. His name is Jerry Potter. He has the 5 Minute Social Media platform. And if you have never heard of him, I suggest you might go find him and follow him, because he is fabulous with all things social media. Um, but anyway, we were having a conversation, and we were talking about Instagram. And as I said, Jerry is an expert. He has some of his own shows. He's up there with some of the big guys, in the industry. But anyway, he said, and I'm going to read it so I don't mess it up. I'm going to read from my notes if I can get. Um, he said, Adam Arcee, the head of Instagram, has also brought up this conversation. So, where are the people going from the feeds? Well, a lot of personal stuff has migrated up to the top to those little circles that you see called stories. And that is where you see more personal stuff from the people that you really know. Uh, and, you know, You probably are familiar with them. You go up and you touch the circle and their little story will pop up. Sometimes you get notification if you've got notifications set that they have a new story or something. And you go and you check out to what they're up to. And I am going to say it's for another day, but stories are very important. Um, they are a good guide to other things. And later on, I'm going to talk about stories, but um, how do you fix about being seen in feeds? So that's going to be my first thing I'm going to talk about. And then I'll move on to giving you, uh, talking about reels and stories and possibly on into DM because people who are really personable are going to stories, and in stories you can send a message, and that is how you communicate. That's how you comment on people's posts. So it automatically goes right into DM. Uh, and there's other little buttons in there that you can add a sticker or a GIF or something. But all of that space is taking place in DM. And when I say DM, maybe you don't know because it bugs me when people just give initials and don't explain what it is. It's direct message. So it's that little icon that looks like a paper airplane on your selection buttons. So anyway, um, I will come back to that. But now I'm going to talk about how you can fix your feeds. What do you need in order to make your feeds more interesting so that Instagram will push them out to your public, to the people that you want to see what's in your feed? So, what you do, and you're probably not going to like this about this because it is difficult. It is putting yourself in a place of vulnerability. But this is where you get a little more personal. You show up, you show your face, you show what you're up to, and it can be a family gathering. It can be you're out. For example, the other day I put up a post about Barry and I. We we have been hiking together for 43 years. Yeah, long time. And but that was something that we started in the beginning of our relationship. We would go hiking in the woods. It's gotten so we don't do it as nearly as often as we used to. Not nearly. But we did it on this last Sunday. We went out. We wanted to go and enjoy the fall foliage. We didn't necessarily want to just go drive and drive around in it. We wanted to be out in the woods. Um, So we drove to a state park nearby, and it's a beautiful state park. It was about a 90-minute ride. So, you get the ride in, you get to go on the back roads to get to the state park. But there we got to enjoy nature, and we were standing there, and the thought came to me, this has always been an integral part of our relationship. But while we were there, of course, I was taking pictures and little videos of different things, but I incorporated us into it and saying 42 years together, still hiking together after 42 years, um, and me kissing him in the middle of nature, and then showing some pictures of nature and stuff. But um, but it shows I'm using my smartphone. I'm using my smartphone for these pictures and these videos, and I'm being intentional um, of making sure that they're good so that they're share worthy. I know it sounds conceited, but if you really want to show up in social media on these platforms, you have to do it with intention. And the other thing is you need to be consistent. It doesn't have to be the exact same days of the week. It doesn't, but it's not a bad idea to pick a couple days of the week and go, because this is going to help you in planning so that you're not like helter skelter at the last minute going, I've got to post today or I've done this. You can post whenever you want. But if you have several days that you post, then and you're intentional about it, you put that into your work schedule. You schedule, and yes, I am that intentional. I schedule out time. This is the day, these are the hours in which I'm going to work on social media. It helps because it just puts something into your routine. And we know when things become routine, it becomes easier. You can do it however you want, but if you want to take some stress off of your schedule, block out some time and be intentional with your social media and block it out. But that is how you are going to get into feeds. It doesn't have to be ultra personal, but um, we were talking about another when Jerry and I were talking, we were talking about another expert and we were sharing somebody else's feed that we had saw, and she went ahead and she was spending time with her nephew, and her nephew had never seen her videos. So she showed her videos to her nephew. Now granted the kid's only 10 years old, but he gave honest feedback. And she said, I took some of that feedback, and today, with him in mind, I was more intentional about how I did my video. So that's how you can make some changes. Now, so then that brings me to our people. So if our people are showing up in stories, we're going to want to use stories. As I said, the DM is there, and that is how they communicate with you. Uh, so go ahead and use your DM. Uh, I use DM. Okay, I'm just going to stop and I'm going to be honest. For my personal stuff for Instagram, I communicate with the people I want to communicate, and it is all in the DM. It's all in the direct messages. I see something I like in the feed. You can't just share an Instagram on the feed and repost it. So again, it drives you to use the direct messenger. So I direct message on ha, and do a LOL and um, send, and most of them are reels. So, and I'm going to come up to reels. You just hold on. I'm going to come talk about reels in just a minute. But the thing is when you have fun and you share back and forth throughout the day, you're also making connections. You're making connections. You're showing because some of these people they're not friends and family. They have become friends, but they've become friends through the business. Um, but you show a little bit of yourself. You can share your personality. So, but a lot of people have gotten used to being contacted through direct messaging. Don't go and just go, hey, I'm so and so and I sell these products and you should follow me. No, you want to really, the way to do business for the most part these days, unless you are just into direct sales. But if you want to have a relationship type business, you need to build the relationship. And that's just one other tip. Show fun things in your stories, give tips in your stories. You can play music. It shows off a little bit more of your personality with the music that you share. And speaking of that, just be on the lookout because I'm going to be talking more about how you can use music and where to find it in upcoming um, videos. So, but in all of this, really what is going to drive anything in your feed, in your stories, or get out there into the atmosphere to somebody else is making reels. and I'm saying reels, Reele, or no, Reels, reels, because that's the short form video that shows up and pops up into your social media. And so that would be the 9 by 16 or portrait version format of your phone. Um, you can make reels right there in Facebook, or um, I use I use editors. I use video editors for mine, um, because I like a little bit more control than what I can find on the platform where you make the reels in face in Facebook or Instagram, because reels are called both on both platforms. But anyway, reels are important. You can show off your personality. You can share a tip, or if you can come off with a few tips in 30 seconds to 60 seconds, then go ahead and do it. Um, but again, you've heard me so many times over and over and over. It's up to you how you want to show up. It's your professionality, that you want to put forth to your audience. So I hope these tips and this information is helpful to you. Leave me comments when you watch this in replay. And if you don't currently follow me or like me, please do. And if you think somebody would find this information helpful, please share it with them. And also, if you want more information on Reels, please send me a message. Let me see. Can I find? Um, just seeing if I have my. You can go to my website and just seeing if I have it. I do not. Let's see. We will show this across the bottom. Um, but you can go to Weezy Media Inc. and sign up for newsletters if you don't already. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And all the information is now going along the bottom. And you can email me, which you will find all that information on my website and in my YouTube information and on my Facebook things. But anyway, I hope you have sorry, my sorry, my voice is going. But I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Start having some fun, some fall fun. Halloween is next week. Maybe have some fun with that if you celebrate Halloween. And the holidays are coming up, so what a better way to start promoting yourself, having fun. This does not have to be business. This can be for your personal use too. Uh, just never give up. Just keep on and keep up with the times, because you may feel mature, but that doesn't mean you're dead yet. There's always life to be had. So with that, I say goodbye. Learn more a little. I hope this helped you with Instagram, and we'll talk to you next week on another episode of Wednesday with Weezy. Bye.